Hello darling, welcome back to Wonderland. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my super affordable current skincare routine of 2019. The first product I apply is a cleansing oil. So essentially, I will place this on dry skin and massage this into my face for about 30 seconds before I cleanse my face with a cleanser. This ensures that I am removing any dirt or grime or makeup residue before I go in with a cleanser. Next, I go in with a very gentle cleanser. I love CeraVe cleansers. They're very effective and very gentle at cleansing the skin, and they can be found at the drugstore. On to moisturizers for the body. Anytime I take a shower, I do not towel dry my body. I actually apply moisturizer onto wet skin, and for the purpose of this, I am locking in any moisture that's on my skin and preventing any transepidermal water loss. So essentially, any evaporation from the skin after you take a shower, if you do not seal that in with some type of moisturizer, then you will actually end up losing moisture from your skin just due to evaporation. I know that I'm showing these products really fast, but unfortunately I don't have time in this video to go over each and every single one of these products and why these ingredients are important in your skincare routine, but I wrote a very detailed blog post that I will link down below on my blog about each and every single one of these products and why they are a staple in my skincare routine. Next, I'm picking up this CeraVe Healing Balm, and this definitely needs to be incorporated into your winter skincare routine. Not only is this an extremely emollient moisturizer that locks in and seals in moisture, it acts as an occlusive, which actually sits onto the skin and creates a protective film that prevents water from evaporating from the outer layers of our skin. This product in our routine is a toner or an essence. You may have been hearing that term float around the internet that is predominantly used in Korean and Japanese skincare routines. Essentially, an essence is a concentrated formula of active ingredients that can target free radical damage, premature aging, or uneven skin tone. These are all very affordable versions of essences. This here is a Korean skincare essence by the brand Misa, and I actually got this at Target for only $10. This definitely has a very emollient texture, but with quite a lot of slip, but the active ingredients in a lot of these essences is yeast, which actually has a brightening factor, which helps just over time even out and brighten the skin tone. Next products up are chemical exfoliants, and I use chemical exfoliants on my skin every day, whether that's beta hydroxy acid, an oil-loving acid that will eventually, over time, dissolve any oil or grime that's deep in the pore and actually will make pores smaller, and alpha hydroxy acid, which works on the surface of the skin, slowing away any dead skin cells that will rejuvenate and brighten our skin tone. Next product up is our serum, and this particular brand, Misha, is a Korean skincare line that I purchased at Target. This particular waterful intensive serum I purchased at Target for only $10 and has some really great brightening ingredients, as well as delivering very high concentrations of active ingredients in a very potent form. So serums are definitely important to include in your skincare routine 365. Now on to facial moisturizers. I like every single product from CeraVe's line as far as a moisturizer goes. I prefer the daily moisturizing lotion for daytime, as it is just a lot lighter and it's a very lightweight, non-greasy formula with all of the ceramides and hyaluronic acid, which attracts hydration onto the skin surface and helps retain our skin's health and moisture. However, at night, I really like the tub of the CeraVe moisturizing cream. It's super thick, has ceramides in it, just to essentially bring health back into our skin and restore and maintain our skin's natural protective barrier. Alright, last but definitely not least, I want to cover sun protection. I wear sunscreen 365 days despite the fact that I live in the Northwest, even though the sun is not shining, despite the common belief The ultraviolet rays from the sun will damage your skin. UV light will penetrate through clouds with ease, and you need protection even on those cloudy and rainy days. And a lot of our aging is actually just cumulative sun damage that unfortunately has just attributed to our skin not being protected against these harmful UV rays. As far as sunscreens I prefer using daily, I prefer mineral-based and physical sunscreens as opposed to chemical sunscreens. So titanium dioxide and zinc oxide are minerals that will protect against both UVA and UVB rays, and I just find that using a tinted formula on my face doesn't leave any streaks or a harsh white cast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on another adventure. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in Wonderland.